Good morning, gentlemen. My chimney is smoking. We are the 24th of December 2019, and like you can see, the snow has melted greatly. The last 2 days, it's been melting like crazy. Now it's -2, so the ground froze. It was -4 during last night. So one thing I forget to mention is Marie-Ange last week get her fourth wisdom teeth removed. So she's still looking as a squirrel this morning, so she didn't want to appear on the video. All right, so back to the action. Uh, I'd like to add there's a gentleman, his website is called Les Portes d'Adrien, and he's asking me if I ever did change my oil for my hydrostatic differential for my John Deere. And I told him yes, I had a problem with my hydrostatic differential. It was not working properly because of I had 350 hours on it, and so what I've done is I removed the differential. There's many YouTube video who talk how to remove, and it's really easy. The first time it took me half an hour to remove it and to reinstall about the same amount, and now within 15 minutes I can remove and install. But I told him there's a gentleman on here in Quebec. He's specialized in rebuilding these and the service is outstanding. I'm telling you, and what it done, he put a better filter on it, but he also, I'm gonna go right under the transmission. He also did put two drain plugs. Okay, one is right there. I'm just gonna go like this. So I use an Allen screw, and the other one, whoop, get some lights. Where is it? Tough to see on the camera. The other one is right there because it's two different place on the hydrostatic transmission. So one is right there, and the other one is right here. All right, gentlemen. So I put the second coat on my on the paint. It's been 1 day now, so it's more than 12 hours, and it's not sticking. So I'm gonna put guess what? My famous signature. So let's do that. All right, now it's time for painting. I will get my brush. You need a clean up. Hey, it's Christmas time, so you deserve to have an happy face. All right, that's it for now. That's the first coat. Hey, John. John is he's got his YouTube channel. Is Logger John 1, I think. I know he's very. Each time he see me with that type of paint, he's going postal. But Have a Merry Christmas, John. Alright. So, I'm gonna put that away to use it furthermore. And after that, you're gonna see another short video added with this one. Because I'm missing wood on one side, so you're gonna see me splitting wood. Alright, cheers. Alright, gentlemen. So, as you can see, my wood shelf on my stove and on the basement is empty, so now it's time to fill it up with from my pile there. All right. Yesterday I had fun. Yesterday afternoon I start my 4th row, so it's so it went very well in the afternoon. I did 4. I came back and filled up this with 4. With my trailer, 4 times with my trailer. So, alright, so the little John Deere is there, so you can see my setup, how I carry my wood. Sometimes I use the Mahindra, the front bucket like on the picture, and sometimes I just simply take the wood, dump it in there before I hand split it, and then I carry it all the way there with my little tractor. Alright, so you're gonna see me doing that. And there's I forget his name. What he's done is around his splitting, he put some wood, like wood shelves, not wood shelf, but piece of wood to retain when you do the hand split. So I'm gonna do that later on. I forget his name. Jeez. Anyway, so let's do that. Hey, that's easier to pick up. Alright. You see that in live action, guys? Alright, and the trailer is full, time to bring it back down there. I like that little trailer, is doing a good job. Easy to also to maneuver in the wood too when I go in my little tractor. Here we go. Yoo-hoo. By the way, the squirrel is sleeping because the hole is it's full of ice. It's closed, so he must be sleeping. So I'm almost I'm 1/4 done, so I have to do about 3 to 4 times to fill up. So I don't think you need me. You don't need to see me doing the repetitive things. All right, gentlemen, the job is finished. So my wood stack is for my stove, for my basement is completely refinish. I have even some extras in the back. So let's do some wild thing with my tractor, alright? Thank God I've got chains.
This is it, folks. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Cuckoo!